salad in preparation for Fats and Frank's Jerk It Out barbecue. Basically, this is some mixed leaves and some tomatoes. I'm going to add some peppers, red onions, and a drizzle of fresh lemon and a touch of black pepper. This salad's been made to go with the jerk chicken, rice and peas and coleslaw. Red pepper, yellow pepper and red onions to the salad. Once all this has been added in, I'm going to put some coarse black pepper and then add a drizzle of fresh lemon. What this does, it just gives the salad a little kick, and the lemon makes the salad refresher with fresh lemon, just to give it a nice zing to the salad. And voila, there you go, Fats and Frank's kitchen, south of downtown.